forgot I got that. Right, let's go. What is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or of course welcome if you are new. If you are new, it is so lovely to meet you. I hope you are doing very well. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm coming at you guys with a little Home Bargains haul. It's not a huge haul, but I did get some cute bits, so I thought I'm gonna have to haul these for you. And yeah, so I went to Home Bargains 2.5 weeks ago and I haven't yet filmed this. I've used one product, and other than that, it's all been sat in the bag, so it's actually going to be a bit of a surprise for me as well, because I've kind of forgotten what I got. So, if that is something that interests you, then please keep on watching. Let's dive in. Oh, I'm so excited. It's like I've gone shopping again, because I've forgotten what I got. This one's cheating, because I didn't get this from Home Bargains. I got this from a different shop, but then, when I went to Home Bargains, they sold it there as well. So, one of the first things I picked up from a different shop was this tin of Love Hearts. Now I originally bought this, there we go. Now I originally bought this for Valentine's makeup looks, because I was going to try and stick some to my face and just create like a weird look, but I ended up not doing that and eating them instead. So we will forget that one, and maybe next year I will do that. I can smell the candles that I've bought. Beautiful. Next up, I actually picked this up. So this is the Inecto hair mask. So I already use this brand, so this Inecto brand. I already use their coconut oil for my hair. Every time that I wash it, without fail, I put 2 pumps in there and run it through. My hair hasn't been washed now for like, I think this is day 4 hair, and it genuinely does do a lot of favours to my hair. Like, it just makes it feel a lot nicer. So I am very much hoping that this will work. I'm not sure. I might do a YouTube video on this actually. That's originally why I picked it up. So if you want to see a hair mask, a cheap hair mask YouTube video, then let me know down below. I might film it. So I picked this up. This is a bit boring really, but I picked up these Listerine Go Tabs. I got these actually for work, because why did I get them in the end? When you eat your lunch and stuff, I don't like not being able to brush my teeth at work. That's the reason why. So I got some Listerine Go Tabs. I always brush my teeth in the morning anyway, but you know, you might brush your teeth, then you go to work, you have Marmite and toast, and then you think, should really be brushing my teeth again. So I picked up these. Hopefully they work. We will see. This is cool. Right, so next thing I got was this Derma V10 Lavender Pillow Spray. So I got this because I was struggling to sleep for a couple of nights last week, and I just thought, it's £1, I'll try it. If you've been here since the beginning of my YouTube channel, you'll know that I don't really like strong scents of lavender. I don't like it. But this is really subtle, and I actually think it might have helped me sleep a little bit. So I picked this up. It's not in the box, but yeah, it is quite nice, and I would probably recommend if you're struggling to sleep. The next thing I got are some candles, because you know me, I love a candle. So the first one I got is this one from Wickford & Co. They're my favourite company for candles ever, because they're affordable and they work just as good. In my opinion, they work just as good as a Yankee candle. So I got this one, which is a beautiful white tower one, and it is Crisp Cotton and Peony, which I think looks really fancy. And I believe these are less than £1. These candles are 79p. How do they make them that cheap? I just don't get it. And they get profit on that. I don't know. So yeah, I got this one, and then I got another one exactly the same, just a different scent. And this one is Sugar Dusted Cherry. I just kissed it, I'm sorry. And that does smell really good. I only got one cleaning item. That is really unlike me, but I actually got this because I vape. I vape in my car an awful lot. Vapor goes on the windows, so it is a pain in the arse to get off your window. Even if your window is open, you're going to get vapor everywhere. So I picked up this. This is the Fabulous Sparkling Glass stuff. I've heard really good things about this. Apparently, it genuinely destroys vape vapor. So if you vape and you need something for your car, try it. I haven't yet tried it, but I'm going to try it after this video, and I will let you know. What was that phrase? Yeah, smells of pineapple. Not my favourite scent in the world, but if it works, I just don't care. One of the things I picked up is this Lab 2 Cocoa Beauty Blender, which, I mean, I have beauty blenders, but they do get ruined quite quickly, and when you have to keep washing them, it's just a pain in the arse. Like, I do wash my stuff. Why is this security protected? Oh, bloody hell. That is a hard-ass beauty blender. Hopefully, when it's wet, it will be a little bit softer, but at the moment, I feel like I'm going to be knocking myself unconscious blending in this. So, I also really like it because it has the flat bit, which you can get right up under your eyes. So, hopefully it's good. I just really hope that it gets a little bit softer. Next up for the makeup side of things, I got this W7 Ultimate Cover Up. So it's a little bit like foundation from what I've read, but it is genuinely a cover up. It says full cover face and body makeup, and it is like skin toned for my skin, kind of. It's a bit deep, but you only need a tiny bit, and it's more for like SFX kind of stuff, and it is full coverage. Next up, all my stuff's W7 today. The next thing I got is this Glow Commotion Extreme Ice by W7, which is a highlight. Now, I had a bit of issue with this, so I mean, it's a very, very pretty highlight. This was only £1, but when I first got it at home, it was smashed to smithereens. It was literally everywhere. I opened it and it fell all over the floor. I had to take it back and explain to them. So to be fair, Home Bargains were lovely, and they just said, yeah, here, swap it for a new one. And we checked it at the till and it was fine. So, I mean, I know it's only £1 and I could have gone without, but it's like the principle of it. It was broken, so I went back, got it changed. It actually looks really pretty on the skin, so very subtle but very cute. And then I also picked up this, which is adorable, and I actually used this in this Instagram picture. So here we've got the W7 Disco Gems, which are tiny, tiny little bits of glitter in like a gel. And yeah, you just pop it in your skin and it's glitter. It's what it says on the tin. So I used that for that Instagram look, and it does genuinely work really, really well. It says party glitter for your face, hair and your body, so you can also put this in your hair. Moving on, I picked up a lot of this stuff because I'm getting a little bit more creative, I think. Kind of a bit more out of my comfort zone with my makeup on Instagram. And if you don't follow me, by the way, the handle is here. But I picked up some stuff to kind of go with the makeup looks and maybe just step a bit further out into the world of creativity. So the first thing I picked up were the heart confettis, which are tiny little red hearts, which I used in this makeup look. Secondly, I picked up these acrylic daisies, which I think are adorable. I can't wait to try these with like a baby pink eyeshadow look, or maybe like a proper pink blush look. So yeah, I picked them up. I can reuse this stuff because you can take it off and then reapply with eyelash glue. I picked up these big gold hearts, so yeah, maybe like a bronzy heart look. Then I picked up these. So I am hugely inspired by this makeup artist called, oh my gosh, I cannot pronounce her name, so I'm going to pop her Instagram page here. I can't pronounce it for the life of me, but she's amazing. And so I picked these up, so maybe I could try to not copy but use her style and try and like see if I can bring some me to it. And then lastly, I got these for an Easter inspired look. So these are some daisies, and I really want to do like a proper daisy inspired, like floral Easter egg kind of look. I don't know what I'm thinking, but I'm going to do that as well, so I picked these up. Next thing I got, I've already started using, so ignore everything on this. But I picked up this rose goldy copper jewellery stand for my necklaces and stuff. I had nowhere to put my necklaces, they were getting all tangled up, so I picked this up for like £1.50. It does the job and it doesn't actually look bad in my bedroom, so that's fine. Now we're on to the last thing, which is a little bit boring, isn't it? A bit bland. The last thing I picked up was this white tray thing for £1.50 from the company Wham, which no lies or exaggeration, I really like their storage because it lasts an excruciatingly long time. So yeah, it's all really sturdy stuff. And I picked this up because eventually in the next few weeks I need no more procrastinating. I need to go through my makeup drawers, and I'll be taking you guys through them anyway, just to sort them out but they are atrocious at the moment. They need organising, so I picked up another one of these because I need to get it sorted. Oh, one more thing, stop. The last thing I picked up was this for work. So this is a antibacterial hand sanitizer in pink, and it comes with a belt loop, which is perfect for my job, so I can just clip it to my belt and carry on with the rest of my day. And I think, yeah, I don't know, I just think that is so good. And this was less than £1, which I'm really happy about. So that was my haul. I really hope that you enjoyed this YouTube video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, and if you are new and you haven't yet done so, maybe consider subscribing. I'm on the way to 1500. I can't believe that. Thank you guys so much, by the way, for your continued support and your love and your care and all of your comments and messages over the last week or so. It's really appreciated. I love you all. Stay safe, and I cannot wait to see you in the next YouTube video. Until then, love you, bye.